I'm Anitra, and this is Love Tis True channel, and I'm here to show you some worksheets that I created recently that are on my blog. If you don't follow me, these are available to my subscribers who subscribe to the Love Letter Club at lovetitstrue.com. You will find these, and I just love Christmas, and what Christmas represents to me is the birth of Jesus Christ. So that's why I created these worksheets, and the words that I've used are tied to the Christmas story, which I've called these worksheets to represent my faith and my beliefs of why I celebrate Christmas. If anybody who follows me knows that I enjoy encouragement, I love to make posts in relates to my faith and why I love the Lord and why I celebrate and rejoice, and I want to do the same to spread the good news. So I created these lettering worksheets, and all the words are basically to represent the day when Christ was born, and I just thought I'd make it something relatable to the true meaning of Christmas. Jesus Christ to die for the world. God sent his only begotten son. If you are familiar with the scripture, John 3:16, his only gift was to send Jesus Christ so that he would die for the sins of the world. And I'm just so grateful for that, and this is why I created this particular worksheet to reflect that. And I also have other worksheets as well. Christmas treats. Anybody who loves baking around this time of year, which I love. I love sugar cookies, brownies, and all types of good things and sweets. And so this one I've created for Christmas treats. And as well, I have Christmas greetings, which we are all familiar with, saying the most wonderful time of the year, holiday cheer, Merry Pride, Merry Christmas, joy to the world, season greeting, and more. So why I'm creating this video is I want to show you what brush pens that I'm using to do my practice worksheets. And maybe you already have these pens, maybe you don't, and this is just some recommendations on what are the best brush pens that I love to work with on a daily basis, or whenever I feel the need to pick up a pen. These are my go-to pens, and I'll tell you what each one is by name and where you can get it in the description below. Okay. So the first one is Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen. This is actually from their lettering. They have a specific one that's made for lettering artists, and the brush pen like this is very narrow and pointed. If you want to know more about this pen, it is also on my blog. I talk about these pens, and I have actually two separate, the bright colors and the, I can't remember what the other colors were. I want to say the basic colors that I have, but they came in, I believe, 4 in a pack. So I'm using, this one is the Deep Scarlet Red 219. It's by Faber-Castell. And you should check these out because I love them because they're really good, and they have a hard brush tip, and it's easy to write with on when you want to do hand lettering and your brush strokes. So I would recommend you using this pen. So the word is Bethlehem. Did I spell that right? I'm trying to see, did I spell that word right? I'm always the one who misspelled words. Give me a second, please. So, I was right. I totally misspelled this word, and the crazy thing about it is I sent it all to my subscribers, and I have not got a response back about misspelling it. And that's what happens when you don't do spell check. That's embarrassing. So don't worry about this one because it's misspelled. That's what I'm known for doing most of the times, but if you want to practice over it, go right ahead, but it's not spelled correctly. I'm sorry about that to all my subscribers. But we're just going to go to the next one. This one is Goodwill. So there you go. You see how easy you can do the brush tip. That's as simple as that, but this is a nice. And yeah, this one is my favorite because I like the kind of soft firm of the tip. You could easily, distinctly know when to apply pressure and when not to between your ups and down strokes. That's that with the Tamba Furusuke, the soft tip. Next, we're going to try the super extra fine brush tip, which is by Zebra. And I think it's kind of similar to the soft tip from Tombow, kind of. As you can see, they kind of look the same. This one kind of has like a little firmness to it though, compared to the Furusuke, which is slightly softer tip. This one is more hard when I apply pressure, which I like, and it makes very thin strokes. Let me show you. See gold. See how super fine the strokes are when I lift up, from pressure. So I like this one too. That's that. Gold. And now we have the Tamba Furusuke, the hard tip, which is the black body. Kind of the same, but it's different. Oh, I'm sorry, I was wrong. This one actually is the soft, I just noticed. The blue body is the hard. I always confused the two. But they both look the same as far as their tips, kind of. Except one is a little bit longer, so I guess you can tell that one's soft and this one's more firm and hard, kind of. Wise men. This one's kind of drying out because I've had it for a while. Then you have the, I think this is a Zebra medium brush tip. See that? Very easy. This is the micron, the 8. See that quite the same. For this one, you know, these particular 3 on 6 on this page, 6 on the next, and that's it. So if you decide to use these, enjoy. And as I say, I have 3 different ones. Sorry about the misspelling of Bethlehem. I should have caught that when I used the H. And I just really messed up this spelling. I think I misspelled it. So I really just messed up the spelling on that one. So if you want to skip that one, go right ahead. If you don't mind just practicing on the misspelling, that's fine too. And tag me on Instagram if you decide to use these. Sorry about the background noise, that's my son. So until next time, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas.